Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with the essentials. Make sure you're signed into the account that has admin rights in the target group. Once done, open the specific group or channel where anonymous messages appear. Tap the group or channel header to view info, and then tap Administrators. You're doing this to reach the permissions that control anonymous posting. This step moves you from the general app to the precise settings area where anonymous mode can be toggled off. Now you inspect the specific admin or bot responsible for anonymous posts. Tap the admin or bot entry to edit its permissions. You want to remove any permission labeled like Post as Channel, Post Anonymously, or similar. Uncheck those boxes. If a bot controls anonymity, enter the bot settings and revoke its anonymous posting capability. Make sure to save or confirm changes. This prevents messages from being relayed under a channel or anonymous identity and restores visible. Finish by saving your edits and returning to the chat to send a test message. You should now see your name instead of an anonymous label. If anonymity persists, make sure no other admin or linked channel still holds the anonymous posting right and inspect any bots again. You can restart the app or clear the app cache to apply changes. As a last resort, demote and re-promote the admin or bot to reset permissions. This often clears stuck.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.